What is the current situation of COVID-19 in Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka recorded 351 COVID-19 infections on the 1st of January. On the 4th of January, official figures showed that 629 infections were recorded that day. 550 infections were recorded the following day. The number of daily infections rose to 653 on the 12th of January, with the average rate until the 18th hovering at around 600 and 700. But from the 19th of this month, the daily number of infections surpassed 800 before crossing the 900 mark yesterday. The number of COVID-19 cases in Sri Lanka has continued to increase sharply since the 1st of January. Health authorities confirmed 23 deaths today, making it the highest number of deaths in a single day in January so far. 7 more deaths were reported today compared to yesterday. Health officials point out that treatment centers are currently using 6,458 beds to treat people infected by COVID-19. 63 ICU beds are also being used for this purpose.
The number of infections detected on the ground level is 2 or 3 times higher than these numbers. That is very clear. We are witnessing signs of a dangerous situation that is looming in the country at present.
වසංගතයක පෙර නිමිති මේ වෙද්දී ලංකාව ඇතුලේ පහළ වෙලා තියෙනවා.
මේ වන විට බහුතරයක්
Based on tests, we believe that most of the infections are caused by the Omicron variant. There is a possibility that a large number of infections can be reported. We can't predict how many people around us have been infected. That is why the chance of the transmission of the virus is very high.
අන්න ඒ නිසාත් ඒ අය අතර මේ රෝගයේ පැතිරීමට තියෙන ඉඩකඩ වැඩි.
මේ අවස්ථාවේදී අපිට පෙනියන දෙයක් තමයි
What we can see, there is a spike in COVID-19 infections. About 1.5 months ago, we were thinking about closing down the ward for COVID-19 infections and also whether the ICU facilities for COVID-19 cases should be closed. But we now feel that we would need more wards to treat them.
වෙහි මේ සංකල්පයේ කෙසේ වෙතත් අලුතෙන් වාට්ටු දාන්න වෙන තත්ත්වයක් තියෙනවා.
What is the situation at schools?
The Public Health Inspectors Union says more COVID-19 cases are being reported in schools. The most number of cases in a school has been reported from the Nuvareli district. The PHI union said it has observed that COVID-19 is spreading rapidly among schools in the western province.
ලංකාවේ බොහෝ පාසල්වල
Many infections are being reported in schools. There are schools in which there are more than 20 infected children in a class. The number of infections in schools and universities is increasing.
අධ්‍යාපන අමාත්‍යාංශයට අයත් විද්‍යාපීඨ තුල ආසාදනය ඉතා තදින් පැතිර යනවා.
දැන් කොළඹ කලාපේ ගත්ත සමහර පාසල්වල ගුරුවරු
In Colombo, there are about 5 or 6 infected teachers in some education zones. Therefore, we believe that we must pay special attention to this. Some classrooms in schools are closed at present. Some sections have been closed off in schools. There is no point of hiding it. We need a solution to this problem.
මේ තත්ත්වය අංගගෙන ඉන්න නෙමෙයි ඕනේ. ඒකට අවශ්‍ය විසඳුමක් ලබා දෙන්න ඕනේ.
What steps must be taken at present?
මා හිතනවා මේ අවස්ථාවේ වැක්සින්
We must expedite the process of obtaining vaccines. According to the data that we have, 5 million people have obtained booster vaccines. Our target is to reach 16 million. We can see that there is a lethargic attitude towards this. The spread of the virus poses a threat to high-risk groups.
මේක අපි දකින්නේ මේකේ පැතිරීම හරහා අර දැඩි අවදානම් සහිත කණ්ඩායමට ප්‍රබල තර්ජනයක් ඇති වෙනවා.